All right, guys, welcome back. On this episode, we get to work. No more talking, no more chit chatting. It's time to do some work. Stay tuned. We're going to have some fun. All right, guys, here's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be stripping out this interior. We're going to get it all cleared out, but we're going to do it in a nice way so that we can make sure we can turn around and sell all the components. You know, if you want to know how the process and the steps that I'm going to be doing, watch my last video on the 4 steps, the 4 easy steps to fund your project, because I'm a broke ass builder and I need money. So some of the components in here will fetch a pretty good penny. So, all right, here we go. So I thought I would play it smart and disconnect the battery so that I could not kill my battery and just keep it good. But I didn't think it all the way through. These are power seats. I can't bring them back and forth. So moving on. Alright guys, so I wanted to take a quick second. I got the seat unbolted, as you can see. But I wanted to show you, there's this little popeta right here. It's a connection that gives this seat all of the power that it needs for the heated seats, for all the lumbar support adjustment and stuff like that. Now, if you're not used to how BMW does a lot of its really cool trick connectors, this is a cool way to do it. It comes out really simple, but you could sit here and go, wait, man, how the hell did this come out? What the hell? It's not going to work. So what you do, it's pretty simple. You just kind of squeeze a screwdriver right here, okay, and just kind of put it in between the yellow and the black and just kind of slide it out a little bit. And then as you get it slid out, you'll be able to get your screwdriver into the top of this right here. And then all you do is it slides right out. And as it slides out, here's the cool part, all right? As it slides out, it's actually going to pull this connector up. So like that, all you have to do is pull it out real quick by hand. So here we go, boom. I pulled this all the way out. You heard that little click. And then voila, the connector is done. And I can take the seat out of the way. Woohoo! All right, and just like that, the seats are out. So it's now time to move on to the back seats. Back seats should come out fairly easily, so here we go. All right, guys, so here we go. I'm about to take off the rear seats, but first I want to turn off these lights so that I don't kill my battery, because I'd like to keep my battery as good as possible. And yeah, here we go. All right, guys, so here we go. It's been about 20 minutes. I'm pretty beat. I got all of it torn apart. Damn. The next thing is going to be the center console, the carpet, all of this trim pieces, the headliner. I got to take the sunroof out. But let me step out of the way so you guys can see. Woo! Ow! Don't sit on that. But here we go. I got the one back piece out, and then I'm gonna take out this one, and then the carpet portion here will be done. And then it's just a matter of doing the main carpet. But yay, I'm beat. All right, guys, I'll be back in a sec to finish off the carpet and the rest of this interior. It'll probably take me a little bit, but yeah. All right, guys. So it turns out that I am done for the day. I have worn myself out. It's been about 3 hours since I stopped and trying to get enough energy to finish up this whole crazy project. But like I said before, it's a great experiment. I don't know if, there's going to be some days where I just don't have it. So this is going to be one of those days where I don't have it. I need to put the rest of the energy that I have into other things. So I have to stop on this for today. But I'll get back on it tomorrow and we'll see where it goes. All right, guys. Till next time, I'm Lex the Wrench. Have a good one.